How to buy Arena token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 23 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning your investment in the safe place. This token also trending number 4 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund wallet for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Of course, click here to paste the token address. So this is also click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see, of that token. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or customer, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Arena token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.